Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So I am coming to you from my office. I am actually on actually it's pretty much my lunch break because I actually have to take my lunch break now because I have a meeting coming up within the next hour or so. But before I get started, just wanted to show you guys my lip color. Of course, it is by Farmasi. I've really been feeling their creamy lipstick. I just love it. So this is actually the number 6 in Hot Cherry. But I wanted to share that I did receive a Farmasi package. Now I did open it up here, but I didn't go inside the box just yet. Wanted to kind of save it for you guys. So I am going to get on in here. So this weekend, I might as well say it was my son's weekend. He went to the library and it was pickle day. So he went ahead and was able to participate in some of the activities. And the Sunday was his cousin's second birthday party. So we went to, it's a place called, I think Play Space or something like that. And he had a ball. He played so hard to where he got back home, played some more, and he was knocked out. So came Monday, he had a whole lot of energy. So yesterday was just mainly just me working, trying to catch up on a couple of house chores. I did a couple of trainings. So yesterday was pretty chilled. So now today it is on and popping. So, but everything is under control. Work was a little bit steady starting out, but of course it kind of did pick up a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. Nothing that I could not handle. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to get right into it. So I have, of course, one of my top 5 products, Radiant Mind. This is what keeps me mentally focused and prepared, tackling the day, because without this, guys, I'm not going to say I went without it one day, but I hadn't taken it for a couple of hours and I was just moving. And I was like, dang, I kind of feel a little foggy. I ain't take this. So I definitely try to keep this in stock. Alrighty. Then I also got the Shea and Almond Body Scrub. I have the Calcium Magnesium Plus for bone strength. So I personally take this also. And I have the Liquid L-Carnitine Plus. So I actually have 2 of these bottles right here. So I actually do take this during the day. And in the evening time, I take the little L-Carnitine shots. And basically, I take it because of the fact that I do work out. So it does take that fat and turn it into energy. So it allows me to just push through those really intense workouts because I also do cardio and I also lift weights as well. So that's what I use L-Carnitine for. And I have the Recharge. So the Recharge, I call it the start off. This is what gets me going during the day. And this is actually, I'll tell you this. This is the reason why I'm able to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I drink this and it pretty much helps me throughout the day. It helps me in the morning. And I have the Spirulina. So these are the green capsules. So what I love about these, it literally just helps your body from the inside. So I personally take this as well. And let's see, I'm almost at the end, guys. So I actually have another bottle of the Hydro Drops. So with the Hydro Drops, guys, I actually take I actually keep one in my purse and also in my kitchen. So this right here, what I love about it is it has hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin C. It has a lot of different benefits, but I'm not going to cover every last one of them. I use it more so for appetite suppressant. So like right before like lunchtime, I normally get like a little hungry. So I'll take 2 drops of this and it helps with the appetite. And last but not least, I have the Retense Repair Shampoo. So I actually got this product for free. Now I use the other collection, is the Revive collection, if I'm saying it correctly. I have not tried the Intense Repair, but I do plan on trying it probably next month because I am going to get my hair done. So typically when I get my hair done, I do a sew-in. So I just need, I'll use this here to kind of just strengthen my hair, because normally with the sew-in, I still take care of my hair, but I just like to have it a little bit stronger. All right, guys, so that is it. My package wasn't too bad today, but I am going to go ahead and finish off my day. I do see I have some messages popping up, so I have to tend on over to those. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all you guys' love and support. It really means a lot. As far as everyone else that is working their business, guys, continue doing what you're doing. Don't let nobody stop you. It is so many, don't feel, because I know for sometimes I feel as though like I hit a wall sometimes, but you just got to keep on going, because a lot of times right when you want to give up, you are just that much closer to your goal. So that's all I wanted to leave you with, guys. Thank you much. Trying to rush off. See, this is what happens when you rush. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.